The watch. How do they go from big wall-mounted grandfather clocks to something you can wear on your wrist?
The miniaturization, more functions in a smaller space.
Pierre Gygax is a watchmaker in Switzerland. Some of his watches have more than 400 components. And how small are some of the parts?
There are parts which are 0.006 millimeter. So that means half the thickness of a hair.
Wow. Hundreds of precision metal pieces, all driven by a simple mechanism that all clocks have in one form or another. The oscillator, the beating heart of the machine. It's the piece that puts the tick and the tock in time.
You know, the time is flowing, and it's always difficult to measure something flowing. So what we do is we cut the time in slices, and the oscillator is counting the slices.
The original oscillator was the pendulum, slicing like a knife through time, with each swing counted by the movement of circular gears. But pendulum clocks work only if they're upright in a fixed position. So in the Middle Ages, clocks were confined to immovable structures like towers or furniture. But in the 15th century, the invention of the mainspring changed everything. It was essentially the first battery, a metal coil that could store mechanical energy. As it unwound, the mainspring powered a compact wheel. It was a major breakthrough. Suddenly, gravity and the pendulum were no longer necessary. The new spring-driven mechanism made it possible to shrink the clock to fit into a hand or a pocket, and the pocket watch was born.
This watch is absolutely amazing. It shows the exact position of the sun and the moon all around the Earth from the top of the North Pole.
Oh man, that's really cool. And how much does this watch go for?
Between $80,000 and $90,000.
But no need to spend 90 grand to find out what time it is.
If you think that I don't know about the little tricks you play,
Fuck the fucking fucker.
we don't get fooled again.